So I just really fastly, I wouldn't say really fast, took me a few hours, but I've been thinking about 4 o'clock, so it took me 4 hours to build these speaker cabinets. For these, they are 7.7 cubic feet and tuned for 70 hertz. Ports are 1 inch by let's see, 1 inch by 7.5, makes it and by 6.5 wide. And I am very, very, very impressed, running off of just that little amp there. And you can see I have the bass turned down to 40 hertz or 50 hertz is what the amp starts at, because it's a mid amplifier. And I have the thing turned up halfway. I think it goes to 250. Let me just take a quick gander here. 500. So I have them at 250K. So here you go. I will actually have to change the song. So I'll go with earlier how I played that one track. I will play off of that one again. My music, my recordings.
Hey papi, what I wish? Yeah, you my favorite dish. Can I get a taste, baby? Can I get a lick? No entiende mi Spanglish, but you can read my body language. Yeah, my body fell in love with a white boy. He's my hot boy. He knows how to turn me on. Always gives me what I want. He's my white boy. Yeah, my hot boy. Sabe bien lo que hay que hacer para darme este placer. Yeah, fell in love with a mami, tú te pones muy rabiosa. Esa boca, baby, como me provoca. Ay, me gusta como tú te vuelves loca, loca. Me repite, me lo dice al oído. Llévame a Colombia, mi morena, te lo pido. Quiero hacerte un hijo, yo no quiero ser tu amigo. Yo no quiero ser tu amigo. Hey, papi, what I wish? Yeah, you're my favorite dish. Can I get a taste, baby? Can I get a lick? No entiende mi Spanglish, but you can read my body language. Yeah, my body fell in love with a white boy. He's my hot boy. He knows how to turn me on. Always gives me what I want. He's my white boy. Yeah, my hot boy. Sabe bien lo que hay que hacer para darme este placer. Yeah, fell in love with a
Yeah, that's all those. I just felt just to make sure that these subwoofers weren't on, and they are not on at all. Very, very, very impressed. Got lucky, obviously, with the build. I am going to pull them apart and glue them because I am actually happy with the way these turned out. And I screwed up, as you see, on one spot here, because this technically should be flat, and the opposite on this one, and that, see how that one's heavy higher up, etc. So I have to fix that part. Other than that though, very happy with the way that this turned out. As you can see, they're a very deep box. I can't remember the measurements, but I'll put them in the thing so I don't have to talk so much. But anyways, yeah, so that's how it is. And yeah, so that's all this is running off of. This is a RE Audio. I believe the model number is on the side here. Yep, right there. As you can see, Yeah, BT904. So I'm running this in just a regular thing. I do have both wires. I'll run this light right here. I do have both wires, so they are running separately. I am going to have to run them in series to running them on my home stereo. That's where I am going to take them right now, is upstairs. That way I can hook them up to that and see how they sound off of my Yamaha. Not too much, because my parents are old and they're bitchy. So I can't pump it too much, but eventually they will be dead and I will be having my own place, so it'll be great. Yeah, all the righteous shall survive. One love.